As you can see, I've just got in from a round of golf. It's pretty lovely out there on the golf course this morning, guys. The sun is shining. It is Thanksgiving, and on this video, I want to talk to you about the morning move in the German DAX. Now, you don't have to do the morning move just in the German DAX. It can be in the FX pairs as well. But the German DAX works so good. And whilst I was playing golf today, I thought, look, I need to explain it in a bit more detail to you, because if you can get this right, then you could be done for the day. Okay, trade the morning move in the German DAX. You get those signals to go long or short, and you can be done for the day. So the London Stock Exchange opens at 8 a.m. London time. Frankfurt is opening as well. And we're trying to take advantage of all those stocks, the cash session opening. And we want to take advantage of the index, the DAX, the German DAX here. And it moves really well, guys, okay? It can be quite aggressive at times, as in volatile, I should say, not aggressive. And so what we're trying to do is to generate a profit with the directional move early in the morning. Now, it's not early. We're not talking 5 a.m. in the morning. We're talking around this period. Look, we don't know when the signal's going to come, but there's a window of opportunity. And I would say 7 a.m. all the way up to, well, I wouldn't say this first signal is going to be at 10 a.m. I think the first signal, you're talking about anywhere in this window is the first signal. Now, once the markets open at 8 a.m., and of course the futures markets are open before that, spreads can be a little bit wider with the brokers. Look, but really, this is the window of opportunity right there, when you normally get the first signal to go long or short. When it goes into this period here, 8:30 to 9:30, 10 a.m., the trend or the directional move is probably established by then, okay? So it's pretty much over. Most people, I suppose, will be getting to work and starting the day's work at 9 a.m. in the morning. Well, they used to in the old days. So you've got this great big window of opportunity here for you. Getting up in the morning, getting prepared, getting ready to on your charts to take the trade, and getting ready to make some money. Now, look, the DAX is, and I'm always saying that you need to, this is a 5-minute chart, you need to bolt on another time frame. And we like to bolt on the bigger time frames, and they can consist of the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart, or the daily chart. So if we have a green buy signal on our systems on the bigger time frames, one of those time frames, then we're looking and we're drilling down to a smaller time frame like the 5-minute. One of my students is on a 1-minute chart. That's fine. So here is the first signal really to get us going long here. That came just before, just after 7:30 really. And that's fine. We're looking for those signals. And the push higher here in 1935 all the way up to the 85 mark. It's a really nice profit, that one, guys. Get out when it turns red. And you can see here we get another buy signal right in here. So a red to green on Pro Trade Insist, tracks are nice and green. And we're looking to get out up here. Now there's no doubt about it. As the price started to reverse up here, that came into a resistance area on one of our bigger time frames. So what I'm showing you at the moment is a one window, one chart setup. And that's fine, because when you're new to trading, you want to keep it simple. But when you get more experience, you want to add another time frame. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to trade with the path of least resistance. If you get a signal and a momentum move on your indicator on the bigger time frame, your anchor chart, your bias time frame, then you want to go down to the smaller time frame to place the signals in the same direction. You've got an edge in the market. If you are shorting, if I'm going long here and my bigger time frame is pointing down and red, well, I'm going against the momentum. So I only want to be long. So today was just long side trades. Okay, so let me show you that. So I've come down to the smaller time frame. This is the 1 hour chart. What color is this? It's green. ProTrend system is green. What color is this? It's red. ProTrend system is red. Then you do the shorting on the 5-minute chart. When it's green on the anchor chart, the 1 hour time frame, then you go down to the greens on the 5-minute time frame, guys, okay, to keep it really simple. A couple of trades in the morning, that is enough. You can make a nice living out of taking those trades in the morning for that morning move. Okay, let's look at yesterday. Into Wednesday's trading here, and here's our window of opportunity. There it is down below here, guys, okay. Really, we're looking for that early morning move. The first part of the morning was green up, but the 1 hour time frame was already red and pointing down. We got a new red, so we short here, we exit here. We get a new red, we short here, we exit here. If you look at these trades, that's 1350 all the way down to 240. You know, you took 1315 down to 225, 220. You know, if you're getting 50, 60 points out of these moves, multiply that by your position size and think about it. Think about, you know, what you could be doing here. Look, you don't have to be perfect right from the start. You know, you might get out of trades a little bit earlier than you should do. I mean, we had a new sell signal here. This come later on in the morning move. But this is the golden hour. 8 till 9 is the golden hour because the exchange is open like for the FTSE 100 and Frankfurt. Okay, so it's this one here. It happens every day. You need volatility. This is what you do as a day trader. I need volatility. Now, do I do this all day long? Of course I don't, because from 10 a.m. all the way up to around 1 p.m. it's the doldrums. Don't trade through these times. I don't want to. I'm setting up my 4-hour charts now. So I take that morning move, okay, and then once that's done, I'm looking at my 4-hour time frames and go off and play golf and look like a Wally in this hat and literally set up trades using technical analysis on the 4-hour time frames. And I can go off again, go for a bike ride, and the trade will still be in play on a 4-hour chart. It's much easier. I'm going to be doing a 4-hour setup video for you guys, showing you all the things that you need to know on a 4-hour time frame. And this is perfect for, on a 4-hour chart, is perfect for people that are working or like it a little bit more slower. The morning move is fast. Okay, fast, get into the trade and then get out as quick as possible. The 4-hour time frame is slow, not using the 5-minute chart. It's nice and slower, more relaxing, and it will suit a lot of people. The morning move is for you guys and girls out there that like it fast and furious. All right, hope it helps, guys. Look, subscribe to the channel. Over the last week, we've gone up 1,000 new subscribers. That's absolutely fantastic. I really do appreciate that. We want to get the subscribers up on our YouTube channel, and we're going to be doing more education, more lives for you. Please subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be showing you, this is really simple. I'm not trying to confuse you or trying to sort of make it what it isn't. It is what it is. It's really simple with our systems, and it's really simple to actually do, okay, with the signals and follow the colors. Because if you can follow colors red and green, then you'd have a really good chance. We're going for that morning move quickly. All right, hope it helps. Have a great rest of the weekend. If you're in the US, happy Thanksgiving, and speak to you soon, guys. Take care.